Okay. Into another one. How's everyone? Always beat texture. Okay. We got it there. And we've got it there. Where is my tape, I'd like to know. For a PowerPoint, you always go 95 by got a bit of glue. 95 by 45. 10, 20, 30, 45. This bathroom is a little bit slow because there's cuts on every wall. Heaps of the suckers. I'm just looking around for birds, but they're not here yet. I should change my blade. It's feeling blunt. Not cutting as good as it should. I just might be impatient. Always be careful when you're turning your tile over and around and that sort of thing, because your corner can chip quite easy. I'm not going to chip that one. I might just make the glue a bit softer. I'll give it a whiz up. I'll pop this up. Yep, I'll take that one home as well. DIYs, that's how it's done. Nice. Nice. Yeah, I've got 3 tiles and 2 of them are cut. You get that? All right, people. We're getting there. I'll zap there. It's 2 rows to go, and then I'll be over on this side. And therein my day will be done, and I'll mosey off home. I'll probably I'll do the architraves tomorrow. Oh no, I can't really. I need to do them this afternoon so I can tile into them. Okay, I'll finish this wall first and then I'll be into that, but I got to do the architraves at the same time. We'll see ya. Stay tuned. See ya.